Holy crap! Whew! That came out of nowhere. Hey, did you guys check the radar at all? What's I think it'll pass. Yeah, I think it'll pass. I'm just gonna check. Yeah, I think it's almost done. We're not gonna leave just yet. Yeah, I got some paperwork I gotta do. I'm sure there's something we can do around the shop. Yeah, I mean, I got a lot of paperwork. Hey, where is everybody? I think it's handling. It's gonna pass. Don't put the motors away. Wait. Yeah, get the trailer. We're not heading out just yet. Yeah, get the trailer. Just everyone stay put.